This is how to install the top basket on a Kitchenaid dishwasher. Pretty easy to do. We're going to pull out these rails on either side, and we're going to take these blue latches and pull them open by turning them out away from the center of the dishwasher. We're going to guide the wheels into the rails one by one. So we'll do the right side. Just going to guide it right in there. It should go in real far to your right. It should be pushed to the outside of the rail. And we'll go ahead and get that over onto the next wheel. We're going to do the other side doing the same thing. So we just pull that rail right over on top and then flick that blue latch toward the inside of the dishwasher to hold it. And then just test it. You should be able to go back and forth really easily. And that's it. Pretty easy to do. You could also take a cup and put it in upside down so it's facing up, put it in the dishwasher, and then run the dishwasher for about probably 10 minutes. And when you open the door and check, that cup should be full of water. That means everything's working right. If it's not full of water, it's probably due to the filter being dirty, and it's really easy to clean. Watching our video, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance, and also click the little bell notification button so we can send you weekly videos on all the different ways of fixing appliances around your home and saving you lots of money. So thanks again for watching, and please also press the like button for our video if this was helpful to you. Feel free to contact me at the email listed below, which is scottthefixitguy@yahoo.com, with any of your questions. And also, if you need to have a FaceTime meeting with me or a Zoom meeting, you can click on one of the links below in the description, and we can set up a 15-minute or 30-minute video conference where we can work on your appliance problem. So thanks again for all your support and for watching the video.